Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkost channel. In today's video I will guide you through resolving the unknown hard error message on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If you are facing an unknown hard error on your Windows computer, there are a couple of effective solutions to try, as highlighted on the Microsoft Answers forum. The first primary solution involves performing a clean boot. To do this, search for System Configuration in your Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab, and then check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. After that, click on Disable All, select Apply, and then click OK. You will then need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. The second solution is to run an SFC scan, which stands for System File Checker. To initiate this, search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar and make sure to select the option to run it as an administrator. Once the Command Prompt window is open, type the command SFC/scan now and then press Enter to begin the SFC scan. This process will check your system files for corruption and attempt to repair any issues it finds. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.